Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to drain the Midea portable air conditioner in 2026. So first of all, always start with safety. You need to first of all turn off your AC and unplug it from the power source. This prevents any kind of electrical issues while draining. Now once it is powered off, you just have to move to the drainage step. Over here, you just have to go to the back or the bottom of your unit. Here, you need to take a look at the drain plug or drainage port, which is usually covered with a small cap. Now, you need to place a container or a tray under the port to collect the water. Now, you are ready to release the water. So, first of all, carefully remove the drain plug and water will start flowing out. So, let it drain completely into the container. Once all the water is out, securely close the plug again. This clears the internal tank. Now, if you don't want to repeat this often, you can attach a drain hose to the port, and this allows continuous drainage, especially in the humid conditions. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.